Morning. I will see about fossils. All these are the impressions of the ancestors and their body parts. Fossilization and fossils, evidences for biological evolution. It's fossil study. It's commonly known as paleontology. So paleontological evidences, and this is a living fossil limulus and the old ancestral reptile and their impression on the rock. It is called as the well-known fossil. Okay, we'll see fossilization method. What is fossil? One by one. Okay, what is fossilization? Fossils, they are the true witnesses of evolution, or we call it as the documents of various zoological period of evolution. So there are various, the process of formation of fossil in the rock is called as, what is it called? Fossilization. Okay, there are various methods. Fossils are called as the witness of the evolution. It is a process by which plant and animal remains are preserved in the sedimentary rocks. Actual remain, petrifaction, natural mold and cast. We'll see one by one. So what is the actual remains? Okay, or petrifaction? We'll see one by one. Actual remains means the common method of fossilization. The original parts such as the bones, teeth are preserved as such. You can see the part of the woolly mammoth in Siberian coast. It was preserved in the ice, and their fossilization it's given here. And the bone parts of the animals like dinosaurs, the bones of dinosaurs in North America, and this is collected from the Siberian coast, and human dead bodies of Pompeii city. Pompeii is a city, well-known city. Here it is, the human body, it is preserved intact by volcanic ashes. Volcanoes, by its lava and by its ash, which gushed out from the Mount Vesuvius volcano, the ancient city of Bombay. And here you can see the human dead bodies. All these are the evidences for fossils. The method of formation of fossil is called as fossilization. And petrifaction, I said. Petrifaction means minerals like silica, they are penetrating inside and replace the original organic tissues and form the rock. So petrified fossils means organic materials are replaced by mineral, silica, carbonate, bicarbonate. Okay, they replace the softened parts of the body and it become very hardened. So for this, it is given Deshiya Kalmara Punga and National Fossil Wood Park. It is there, and in Tiruvakkarai. So petrifaction means what I said. The minerals like silica penetrate into the body and replace the original organic tissues. And the method of fossilization can preserve both the hard and soft parts. Okay. Now coming to the mold and cast. Here mold and cast, and this is the mold and this is a cast. Mold means it is when the body of the organism is completely disintegrate, it leaves a cavity inside. You can see the soft part of the body of the organism, it will disintegrate. Okay, the inner organs like intestine and everything, and part it will be soft part, it will be disintegrate, but leaving a cavity inside, and it leaves a impression on the rock. Okay, and this is called mold. So the replica of plant and animal is preserved in the sedimentary rock. So when the organism get buried in the sediment, okay, and leaving a hollow depression, you can see here there is a impression on the rock or depression, and this is, it does not reveal the internal structures. We can't see the internal structures because it's already internal body organs are disintegrated. And next one, I said it shows the original shape but does not show the internal structure. That is very important. And what is cast? It is formed when the cavities of the mold, these cavities are filled by minerals and they become hardened. So when the minerals or sediment fill the hollow depression and they form a hardened hollow depression and they form a cast. So this is hollow depression alone is there, and the hollow depression is filled with minerals means and become hardened means it's called as cast. Okay, and when the organisms original remains can be preserved in the ice and amber and they protect the organism, that is called preservation method. And compression means When the organism dies, the hard parts of the body settle at the bottom of the sea. So that is called as compression, and then you can see the body, it gets compressed on the lower deep surface of the body, sorry, deep sea ocean. And infiltration or replacement means here the precipitation of the minerals takes place, which later infiltrate the cell wall, and it takes very various silica and carbonate, bicarbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, all these are replaced the that is the soft part. Hard parts are dissolved and replaced by these minerals. That is called. One more thing can say coprolites. Coprolites are the hardened fecal matter, commonly called as fossilized dung. It is nothing but the fecal matter or waste of an animals. And why they are hardened fecal matter is collected? Analyzing the coprolites, it helps to understand the food habit or diet of the prehistoric animals. Yes, and these are the waste or fecal matter or of various animals as fossil it's collected. It's called as coprolites. Why they are collecting and observing this to understand the food nature or food habit or diet of the prehistoric animals like dinosaurs. Okay, we can analyze. Thank you.